Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great and wonderful on this day. Today is Shrimp Feeding Saturday. I'm feeding these guys already a little protein, little pellet. They're already finished it. I came back like 5 minutes and they're, oh no, it's right there. This guy's hogging it all. But this guy, all the shrimpies are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. Look at all these blue bolts and the rest. The blue steels. And then all these guys. Yeah, you guys can see this tank is a little empty, catching me on acclimating my red fancy tigers, and it can be moved into this new tank now because the tank is ready. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right then guys, I'm back. Already dropped in my red fancy tigers over here now. They're doing great and they're eating all the algae already. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update on my shrimps. If you guys want to come along on my journey, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Signing out guys.